In the annals of religious history, few stories captivate the imagination quite like Jesus walking on water. This miraculous event, described in the Gospels of Matthew, Mark, and John, has fascinated believers and skeptics alike for centuries. Let us journey back to the shores of the Sea of Galilee, where this extraordinary tale unfolded. The scene opens with Jesus sending his disciples ahead by boat, while he retreats to a mountain to pray. As night falls, a storm brews on the sea, and the disciples find themselves struggling against fierce winds and turbulent waves. In their moment of distress, they witness an astonishing sight: Jesus approaching their boat, walking on the surface of the water as if it were solid ground. Understandably, the disciples are gripped by fear, believing they are seeing a ghost. But Jesus calls out to them, saying, "Take courage, it is I, don't be afraid." Peter, emboldened by Jesus' words, asks to join him on the water. Jesus invites him, and Peter steps out of the boat, briefly walking on the water himself, before doubt sets in, causing him to sink. This account raises intriguing questions about the nature of reality and the laws of physics. How could a human body, subject to gravity, remain atop the water's surface without sinking? Scientists and theologians have long debated this phenomenon, offering various explanations ranging from the supernatural to the psychological. Some argue that the event was a literal defiance of natural laws, demonstrating Jesus' divine power over creation. Others propose more naturalistic interpretations, suggesting that Jesus may have been walking on a sandbar, or that the disciples' perception was altered by the storm and their fear. Regardless of one's interpretation, the story's significance extends beyond its physical impossibility. It serves as a powerful metaphor for faith, illustrating how belief can overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Peter's brief success in walking on water, followed by his sinking when doubt crept in, exemplifies the interplay between faith and human frailty. This narrative has inspired countless works of art, literature, and philosophical discussions throughout history. It continues to challenge our understanding of the possible and impossible, inviting us to consider the limits of our perception and the potential for extraordinary events in our world. As we reflect on this timeless tale, we are reminded of the enduring impact of religious narratives on human culture and thought. The image of Jesus walking on water remains a powerful symbol of divine intervention and the triumph of faith over fear, continuing to resonate with people across diverse backgrounds and beliefs.